trigonometry math solution. I am discussing about the math solution approved. LHS, left hand side. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Nominator 1 minus cos theta, denominator 1 plus cos theta. I have to multiply both sides, ups and downs, nominator and denominator. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, each side. Upper and lower level. 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos. So 1 minus cos square. Square. I mean, 1 minus cos square, x square minus twice b plus b square. So 1 minus cos square. 1 square minus twice b plus b square. 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b is square minus b square. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. 2 cos by sin square theta. 2 cos sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta, cos square theta. 2 sin square theta, sin theta into sin theta. 2 1 by sin theta, cos by sin theta. Cos square theta by sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. Cos square theta by sin square, cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Then cosec square theta, 1 by sin square theta, cosec square theta. Minus 2, 1 by sin theta is equal to cos into cot theta. Plus cot square theta. As is proved. All of your progressive mind is still being this understanding my analysis 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, and there is cos theta, and there is minus 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos, 1 square, 2 into 1 cos square theta, cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta, 1 plus a plus 1 cos, a minus cos. And 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta. Then cosec square theta. And all of your progressive math was realized this as such can be analyze this a square, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 plus b square. 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos theta, a square minus 2 plus b square. 1 by sin square theta, cos square theta. All of your progressive math is 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta, cosec theta, and cos theta sin theta, cot theta, and cos square theta, cot square theta. Okay, please subscribe me. All of your progressive math was this and realize this my math solution, trigonometric math solution. Please subscribe me. Was this realize study for only? Please subscribe me. I have analyzed chemistry, in math, inorganic chemistry.